October continues, and today I'm back in my priceless kitchen. And if this seems oddly familiar, well, it should, because last week I did my barbecue neck bones, and I had some bones left over without the barbecue sauce, of course, and decided, why not show you another neck bone recipe? Because I've got bones, 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 neck bones. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. I share my love of cooking, cleaning, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. These are things that interest you. You already know what I need you to do. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell twice so you never miss an upcoming upload. As always, the full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Just in case you missed the barbecue neck bones, oh yeah, well here they go. Check that video out before leaving YouTube on today. Now back to our regular scheduled program. Now I'm dicing up some onions and peppers in assorted colors. About 1 pat of unsalted butter, and about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm using my cast iron because I just love my cast iron. Of course, you can also do this in a Dutch oven or a large stock pot. To make the gravy, I'm using 1/3 cup vegetable oil and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. My pre-cooked neck bones, well, they're a little cold, but nothing like dropping them in the gravy and heating them back up. I absolutely love cooking for my family, and I hope that you can see my love on a plate. If you love cooking recipes, well, make sure to join the channel and just head on over to the cooking playlist. Yeah, there's something for everyone there. I'd appreciate it if you would give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.